of the following statements can be inferred from the data above? So anytime I see a question that looks like an integrated reasoning question, but in the quant section, it sort of makes me think that this is a very old Gmat question, because I almost never see these. The font always looks different too. It looks like it was made on like a typewriter or something. But anyway, let's take a look at this guy. So we got these 3-in-1 statement. So first statement, the Klein family's annual income more than doubled from 1985 to 1995. So it looks like 1985 is about 25,000. It looks like 1995 is about, it's a little bit less than 65,000. So, but it's still going to definitely double because it's definitely greater than 60,000. So that's a yes. So statement 1 can be inferred. So B is out, D is out. Statement 2, the Klein family's annual income increased by a greater amount from 1985 to 1990. Then from 1990 to 1995. And so note that they don't ask for a percent increase, they just ask for the absolute amount. So from 85 to 90, so if we say 1990 looks to be about 38,000. So 38,000 minus 25,000, so we got 13,000. And then 90 to 95 will be about 63,000 minus 38,000. So that's going to be at least about 25,000. And so it's definitely not true that there's a greater increase from 1985 to 1990. They're not even close. So E can be eliminated because statement 2 cannot be inferred. The Klein family's average annual income for the period shown was greater than 40,000. So 40,000 is this line here. And even though we only have 4 values that are above 40,000, they are way above 40,000. So somebody got promoted in around 1991, it looks like. So let's see how we can estimate this. So our sum of our we have 11, we got 11 years because we are including 85 and 95. And so our average should be the sum of our salaries over a number of years, which is 11. And so we want to know, is our sum over 11 greater than 40,000? Which is the same as asking, is our sum greater than 440,000? Let's see if if we're very conservative in our estimates. Where does this get us to? So we got 3 points here. All we know is they look to be above 60,000. So let's say these actually will be super conservative. Let's say each of these points actually is 60,000. So we got 60, 60, 60, and then this guy here is just, it looks to be above 55. So we'll say that actually is 55. And so that gets us to 235 just from these guys. And then from here, I don't think this is even going to be close because we got 7 points. So even if we are super conservative, so our lowest point looks to be about 25,000. So let's say these guys here are all 25,000. So that gets us to 75,000. And then these points here, let's say these are all 35. So what was 35 times 4? 140. And even here, I think. And so I rounded down for pretty much every point value here. And so I think even here we might be over, right? 4 plus 3 is 7, 8, Plus 7 is 5, 15. So here I'm at 450, and I rounded down for pretty much every point value on the graph. And so this is going to be true, it looks like. And I would say C is the answer.